Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily check if you successfully activated a root on your phone or not. So for fixing it, you just need to install this app. Here you can see it, root checker. So just install this app on your phone, open Play Market and just download it from Play Store. And after you successfully download and install it, you can also open it, this app, and here just click agree, and here you will click verify root near verify root status. Just click get started. Here you can see sorry, root access is not properly installed on this device. So now my phone doesn't have root. So with this app you can also check if you successfully activate your root or not. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.